Hello everyone, if you are still searching for a video on how to apply in Daad Scholarship, which is one of the leading scholarships in Europe, specifically in Germany, so you are on the right platform. I was searching for this video on the YouTube, on everywhere, and I hardly found any video which is purely explaining a step-by-step process about how to apply in Daad Scholarship. And now in this video, we are gonna discuss everything in detail, a step-by-step guide like how to apply in Daad Scholarship. I will share my screen with you guys so that we will apply together, and in this video we are going to discuss everything about Daad Scholarship, what is the main idea of the Daad Scholarship, who can apply in this scholarship, which are the fields available in Daad Scholarship, and what are the main requirements of Daad Scholarship, and which are the eligible countries for Daad Scholarship, and the most important thing, how you can win this scholarship. By the way, I forgot to tell about myself. I am Usman. I am from Pakistan. I won multiple scholarships. Basically, I'm an Erasmus Mundus scholar. I won Erasmus Mundus scholarship last year, which is one of the leading scholarships in Europe, and since then I'm helping students achieving their dream universities, and that's why we created a scholarship search platform, which is Scholars Avenue. On this platform you can search for latest scholarships anywhere around the world, and if you are searching for the latest scholarships, you just go to this scholars.avenue.info and you will find latest scholarships there. And also on this platform you will find supporting material like how to write letter of motivation, how to write letter of recommendation, how to prepare for IELTS. This platform covers everything. So if you're searching for scholarships, must go through this website. Now coming back to our Daad Scholarship, basically Daad Scholarship is for masters and PhD programs in Germany, and most of the courses in Daad Scholarship have duration of 2 years, and some of the PhD courses have duration of 3 years. So this is what Daad offers, like masters programs and PhD programs. Daad is not for bachelors. By the way, if you have a master's degree, you can still apply to master's degree for your double masters. And let me tell you the best thing about Daad. As you know that Daad is based in Germany. Germany is one of the leading economies in the world and also the biggest economy in Europe. So if you somehow land this scholarship, your life is going to change. After studying on that, there is also no requirement of going back to your home country. You can stay in Germany and you can extend your student visa to work permit. So there are plus benefits in this scholarship. You will be studying free of cost, you will be getting stipend. We'll be discussing the stipend and the benefits later on. So this is the simplest Daad scholarship in a nutshell. Now if we look into the main requirements of the Daad scholarship, the main requirement of this scholarship is the 2 years professional work experience. If you are a fresh graduate, you cannot apply into this scholarship. You must have a professional work experience. Note the work experience which comes with your academics. This work experience must be after your graduation. For example, you graduated in 2022, and after that you must have 2 years of work experience. By the starting date of your master's or your PhD, you must have 2 years of work experience. So if you are applying for the intake of 2026, you must have 2 years of work experience before the starting date of your master's. So that's a very important criteria to apply in Daad scholarship. Other criteria are very simple, that if you're applying for master, you must have 16 years of education, and if you are applying for PhD, you must have 18 years of education. And also it depends from which country you are. Most of the countries are eligible. Here's a list of countries that are eligible for Daad scholarship. So I think your country is listed too. You can find Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, all the countries are listed for this scholarship. So these are the main requirements. Now, if we get into the benefits of this scholarship, there are many benefits of this scholarship. If we consider only the stipend, you will be studying free of cost. There is no participation fee. As you know that Germany is free of cost for international students also, but they have to bear the blocked account, and also sometimes they have to pay the participation cost of a semester. But in this scholarship you have to pay nothing, and you will get a stipend. If you are studying for masters, you will get a stipend of 934 euros, and if you get selection for PhD, you will get stipend of 1200 euros, which is a very good amount to live in Germany, I think. And also you will get subsidized accommodation is the most expensive thing in Germany. And the people who are married, you can also move with your family. You will even get more stipend than a normal student. Honestly, there are many other benefits too. You will be staying in Schengen zone, and in Schengen zone, after your graduation, you can go anywhere, you can work anywhere. So there are many benefits after this scholarship. Now if we discuss which fields are available, here on the screen you can see all the fields that are available. You can see the economic and sciences fields is available. There's business administration. People who are searching for MBAs, they can apply some of the courses that are listed in Daad scholarship. You can see on the screen there are some courses related to development like urban planning. You can also apply in those courses. There are some engineering related courses also, like industrial engineering, then water engineering. Also, there are some courses about regional and urban planning too, about agricultural sciences, about media sciences. There are so many fields in Daad Scholarship. You can check all the fields on the screen here. By the way, link to this website is in description. You can just go to the link after this video, not in between the video. I'll show everything on screen after this. You can clarify everything on the website, although I will be showing everything here too. And now coming to the most important part, how you can win this scholarship. Dart is one of the most competitive scholarships in the world. Let me tell you that it is the most competitive scholarship after Erasmus. Erasmus is the most competitive scholarship in Europe. And by the way, if you are searching for Erasmus scholarship too, I have multiple videos on Erasmus scholarship too. You can go through my channel and watch the videos on Erasmus scholarship too. And now how to increase your chances of selection in Dart scholarship. First of all, the most important thing in Dart is your professional work experience. If your professional work experience is relevant to the program you are applying, then there are many chances of selection. Usually the students with 7 years of experience, 5 years of experience are applying to this scholarship, and the things are very competitive. But if you don't have this much experience, you can apply with 2 years of experience but with a very strong personal statement. Personal statement is a thing that people usually start with, like, I had a childhood passion, I had a childhood dream to become this and this, I had a childhood interest in science. This is not going to work for you in Dart. You must write something technical aspect of the course that you liked in the course and why you want to pursue this course. And also you have to share that how you are going to challenge yourself during the master's course and what are your future plans after this course. So all of these things must be written in a technical way, not in a childish way. And also you need a CV. And in Germany, Europa CV format works. And if you don't know how to make a CV on Europass, let me know in the comments. I will make a video, a detailed video on how to make a CV on Europass and write everything in detail, like what you did in the work experience, what were the projects, how many people you were leading, how many people you were collaborating with. Write everything in your CV and do write about the projects. The most important thing, the projects that you did in your work experience. So this is how you can improve your CV and your chances of selection in Dart scholarship. I would again say that Dart is a very competitive scholarship. If you want to win this scholarship, you have to invest some time. It's not like you have written your letter of motivation in just some hours and you're expecting to win Dart scholarship. It's not gonna work. Usually this document preparation takes some time and you should invest this time on your future. By the way, if you are searching for a detailed expert review, we have a team of international students who are studying in the top universities of United States and Europe. They can help you. Just go through the services of the scholarsavenue.info and you will know that how you can reach out to them and how they can help you. And now moving to the PC screen, and now I will show how to apply in all the courses that you are interested. Now, let's jump into my PC screen. In the description, you will be on this website and you can see that there is a very detailed description of the Daad Post scholarship. You can see everything is available in this, and you can see the benefits that we have already discussed. You can see the eligibility criteria. You can see like how to apply that we are going to discuss. And if you are clicking on this website, you will be on the official website of Daad Scholarship. But if you are not wondering for all the details of the Dart scholarship, by the way, you should read all the details of Dart epos scholarship. Here you can search for the application requirements. Here you can apply for the application procedure here after selecting your country here, and you can check. By the way, the simplest procedure that I'm gonna tell you guys is just go here, go to the useful resources, this section, and check all the countries list. You will be checking the countries list, that if your country is eligible, then and just open this tab to all the programs will be available, and then frequently asked questions, FAQs, and then also the brochures. You can also, by the way, reach by clicking on this apply now link. Okay, there is no need to just close this. Okay, here you can see all the countries that are listed in Daad epos scholarship. All the people who are watching this video from these countries can apply to this scholarship. You can see that in Asia we have Afghanistan, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, we have India, we have Pakistan, we have Nepal, Sri Lanka, And from Africa, we have so many countries from the north of Africa, like Egypt, Libya, and almost each country is eligible to apply for this scholarship outside Europe. So you can check your country here, and after that you can check all the programs that are listed in the Daad scholarship here. You can check that there are two three courses related to economic sciences. For the people who are studying business administration, they can apply in these courses. There are many people who say that we want to apply for MBA abroad, and no, they can apply for this course, small enterprises. And there are some courses related to development cooperation. There are courses related to engineering and like related sciences. You can see hydroscience and engineering related to waters and water engineering basically. And people can also apply for textile. So there are many courses related to engineering, you can see here. And also you can apply for regional and urban planning. If you have proper work experience in this, you can apply for agricultural, you can apply for national. So you can see that there are many courses, many fields available actually. And you can also, if you are from medicine background, you can apply. And there are some courses you can see that if it is an MA or it is an MBA or it's a PhD, you can see that there is, it's not like there are many PhDs or there are many courses, or if you are from any background you can apply. You have to apply in only these specific courses. Yeah, you only can apply in these specific courses. It's like an Erasmus catalog. These courses are eligible for Dart scholarship. And what you have to do is, all the deadlines are listed here, you can see here the deadlines. And let me show you guys that you can also apply for self-financing. If you don't get the epos scholarship, the Dart epos scholarship, you can also be considered for self-financing too. So for that you will need the blog account, and you can watch my other videos too about Germany. So, by the way, for Dart scholarship, you have deadlines listed here in which the course you are applying. For example, if you are applying for a course related to sustainable energy and development, say, like it's a course of 24 months, like 2 years. And for the deadline, we have to check the website. By the way, how to apply? For example, we are applying here as CPT, which is an MBA. We can open this and we can see here that it's a complete different website of the program of SEPT, which is an MBA in Dart. And by going into the menu, you can check the master's program, and you can apply into the application. And yeah, by going down again down, and here is the application. All the applicants are required to submit an online application as below. The next application period for the Dart epos scholarship will open around 1st August. So 1st August, on 1st August, this scholarship will be open for this program specifically. For each program, you have to check according to your program. So if you're applying for a different program, your deadlines are listed here. So do consider these deadlines are important. Apply well before deadlines. It's important. And other than that, you also need to fill this form, the Dart epos scholarship application form, which is in German. You can translate it. You also need to submit this form with your application form of the program you are applying. So there is no application fee in most of the courses. You can apply without application fee. So that's it, I think. That's like a very clear video, I think. You
By
can
the way, let me
check
tell
in
you,
FAQs. Mostly
like if
people
you have
ask
any
questions which
questions, you
have
can.
already been answered in FAQs. So do check this plan document too. So also you should check this brochure too, that which are the courses are being offered and what is the detail of that course actually. And maybe you will find many courses which are relevant to your field and you can apply. And so this is the simplest way to apply in Dart epos scholarship. There is nothing other way to apply. If you're applying for PhD, if you are applying for masters, the process is very simple. You have to go to the website that I explained you. And for example, if I told you before that if you, for example, applying for this PhD, which is for 42 months, and PhD in resource and access for sustainable transform. And you will go to the website, you will apply here, and you will also fill the form. You can see the expected start date is like this, and expected end date is this. It's like the project funding will end on this, so before 2032 you can apply. So that's it. I think I have cleared everything in this video. And we can see that on this platform Scholars Avenue, you can check all the details, all the scholarships. So must go through this website. For example, if you are interested in any country, just search for it, opportunities related to scholarships, internships, and there are many things available. Just search on the Google scholars-avenue.info, and you will find many other scholarships too. And if you are interested in our services, you can use this services. There is a team of like multiple people who are studying around the world. They can help you guys. So that's all. I think if you have any question, ask in the comment section. I will reply there. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because if you are watching this video for like 15 minutes or 20 minutes on Instagram, maybe you get this information in 10 seconds reel. So it's important to follow on Instagram. So that's all. If you have any question, do ask in the comment section, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube too.